Hello everyone, so let's do our next exercise to turn on this LED by using a switch. Okay, now in front panel just right click on it, go to boolean and select your switch. Here's my switch. Now let's increase its size and select also LED. Alright, now your switch either can be a push button or a maintain button. Okay, so first of all I'm talking about your maintain button. Here's my maintain button. It's maintain its original state. Okay, now go to your block diagram, just connect these two terminals. Alright, and draw a while loop to run your code continuously. Alright, now if you hit this run button, you'll notice if I press this button, my LED is turned on. If I again press this button, my LED is turned off. Okay, now it behaves as a maintain button. Now I want to change its mode to push button, which means if I press this button, it should get back to its original state. Alright, so just right click on it, go to mechanical action and select your action, whatever you want. There are 6 mechanical action of your switch. Now I'm selecting this action, which is switch until released. Alright, so hit your run button. Okay, if you press this button, you'll notice your LED is turned on. If I release this button, my LED is turned off. Okay, now this switch behaves as push button. Alright, so we will turn on our LEDs both by using maintain button and by using push button. Okay.